Lowering cholesterol naturally in just 30 days may sound like a big challenge, but it's entirely possible with the right approach. In today's video, we're going to explore 7 Mediterranean diet hacks that can help reset your cholesterol levels in just 1 month. And you'll also discover a surprising heart-healthy ingredient that has been shown to improve cholesterol in ways you might not expect. But before we start the video, let me ask you, do you know which Mediterranean food has been proven to lower cholesterol by up to 30%? We'll reveal the answer at the end, and I promise it's easier to include in your diet than you think. If you're ready to take control of your heart health, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more tips to keep your cholesterol in check. Cholesterol is something most of us have heard about, but do we really understand how it affects our health? Having high cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease and other chronic conditions, which is why it's important to keep it in check. But here's the good news. You don't need to rely on medications or drastic measures to manage your cholesterol. The Mediterranean diet, a way of eating that has been followed for centuries, is packed with heart-healthy foods that can naturally lower your cholesterol levels. And the best part? It's not about giving up the foods you love. It's about making simple swaps that fit easily into your daily routine. Recent studies have shown that following a Mediterranean diet can lower your bad LDL cholesterol while boosting your good HDL cholesterol. In fact, just a few small adjustments to your meals can lead to significant improvements in your heart health. So, let's dive into these 7 powerful Mediterranean diet hacks that can help you reset your cholesterol levels in just 30 days. Let's kick things off with one of the simplest and most effective changes you can make: swapping your regular cooking oil for olive oil. If you're not already using it, olive oil is a must in the Mediterranean diet. Why? Because it's packed with monounsaturated fats. These healthy fats have been shown to not only lower your bad LDL cholesterol, but also raise your good HDL cholesterol. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to incorporate into your meals. Just replace your usual oils with olive oil when cooking, roasting, or even drizzling over salads. Research shows that even small amounts of olive oil can make a big difference in improving your cholesterol levels. Imagine cooking your favorite dishes and knowing you're supporting your heart health at the same time. Simple, right? So, next time you're in the kitchen, reach for olive oil and start taking advantage of its cholesterol-lowering benefits. Now let's talk about something that's absolutely essential to the Mediterranean diet: vegetables. If you're looking to improve your cholesterol, one of the easiest and most effective changes is to simply add more vegetables to your meals. The Mediterranean diet is filled with fresh, colorful veggies, and for good reason. They're packed with fiber, antioxidants, and other nutrients that help lower cholesterol naturally. Fiber, in particular, plays a key role in managing cholesterol. It binds to cholesterol in your digestive system, helping to remove it from your body before it can be absorbed. Imagine a plate full of vibrant vegetables, from leafy greens to crunchy bell peppers, each bite working to lower your cholesterol. And the best part? They're not only good for your heart, but also delicious and satisfying. Try to aim for a variety of vegetables each day to get a broad range of nutrients and start noticing the difference in how you feel. Add them to salads, roasted veggies, or even as snacks. There are so many ways to enjoy them. Next up, let's talk about one of the most heart-healthy foods you can add to your diet. Think salmon, mackerel, sardines, and anchovies. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to significantly reduce bad LDL cholesterol while also increasing good HDL cholesterol. Omega-3s don't just improve cholesterol levels, they also help reduce inflammation and protect against heart disease. The Mediterranean diet is known for its emphasis on fatty fish, and for good reason. The omega-3s in these fish work wonders for your heart health. Imagine enjoying a delicious piece of grilled salmon, knowing it's not only tasty but also lowering your cholesterol and protecting your heart. Try to incorporate these omega-3 rich fish into your meals at least twice a week. Whether you're making a quick fish dinner or adding them to salads and sandwiches, the health benefits are undeniable. And they're a delicious way to support your cholesterol reset. Now let's talk about a delicious and heart-healthy snack: nuts and seeds. These little powerhouses are not only satisfying but also packed with healthy fats, fiber, and plant sterols, all of which help lower cholesterol. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are great choices. Studies show that eating just a small handful of nuts each day can lower your bad LDL cholesterol by up to 10%. Imagine snacking on a handful of almonds or sprinkling some chia seeds on your yogurt, and knowing that these tiny foods are working hard to improve your cholesterol. They're full of heart-healthy fats that help reduce inflammation and support overall cardiovascular health. Plus, they're so easy to incorporate into your diet. Add them to smoothies, salads, or just grab them as a quick snack. So next time you're looking for a snack, reach for a handful of nuts or seeds and give your heart health a boost. Next on the list, plant-based proteins. In the Mediterranean diet, legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas take center stage as a great source of protein without the cholesterol-raising effects of red meat. Plant-based proteins are rich in fiber, and fiber is key when it comes to managing cholesterol. It helps lower LDL cholesterol and keeps your digestive system healthy. Imagine making a hearty lentil stew or adding chickpeas to a salad. These foods not only taste great, but they also work wonders for your heart. Plus, they're full of antioxidants and other nutrients that help reduce inflammation. So instead of reaching for red meat, try incorporating more plant-based proteins into your meals. They're filling, nutritious, and best of all, they'll support your cholesterol reset. Add them to soups, salads, or even make them the base of your main dish. It's a simple and delicious way to improve your heart health. Now let's talk about one of the most enjoyable ways to improve your cholesterol: eating antioxidant-rich fruits. The Mediterranean diet is filled with fruits like berries, apples, citrus fruits, and pomegranates, which are all packed with antioxidants and fiber that help lower cholesterol. The antioxidants in these fruits help fight inflammation, while the fiber helps to remove cholesterol from your body. Imagine enjoying a sweet, juicy bowl of mixed berries or slicing up an apple for a snack, knowing you're doing something good for your heart. Fruits like berries, apples, and citrus are also rich in soluble fiber, which binds to cholesterol and helps expel it from your system. Try adding more of these fruits to your meals, or simply enjoy them as a snack throughout the day. Not only will they satisfy your sweet tooth, but they're also an easy and delicious way to support your cholesterol reset journey. Finally, let's talk about reducing red meat in your diet. While it's okay to enjoy it occasionally, the Mediterranean diet encourages more plant-based proteins and lean meats, which can help lower cholesterol and improve heart health. Red meat, especially when it's fatty, is high in saturated fat, which can raise your LDL cholesterol levels. By cutting back on red meat and opting for healthier alternatives like fish, chicken, or plant-based proteins, you're making a big difference in managing your cholesterol. Imagine replacing a fatty steak with a lean chicken breast or a delicious bean and vegetable stir fry. These choices will help lower your cholesterol and provide plenty of nutrients without the saturated fat. By reducing red meat and incorporating more heart-healthy options, you're not only supporting your cholesterol reset, but also taking steps to improve your overall health. All right, it's time to reveal the answer to our quick quiz. So, do you remember which Mediterranean food can lower cholesterol by up to 30%? The answer is olive oil. This heart-healthy oil is a game changer when it comes to lowering cholesterol. It's packed with monounsaturated fats, which have been proven to reduce LDL cholesterol while increasing HDL cholesterol. Now, let's quickly recap the 7 Mediterranean diet hacks to reset your cholesterol in just 30 days. First, swap your regular cooking oils for olive oil. Second, load up on a variety of vegetables for extra fiber. Third, enjoy fatty fish like salmon for a boost of omega-3. Fourth, snack on nuts and seeds to lower your cholesterol naturally. Fifth, replace red meat with plant-based proteins like beans and lentils. Sixth, add antioxidant-rich fruits to your diet to fight inflammation. Seventh, cut back on red meat and choose leaner, heart-healthier options. If you're excited to start your 30-day cholesterol reset, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more health tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know which Mediterranean diet hack you're going to try first. Or if you've already made these changes, share your experiences with us. We're all on this journey together, and your feedback can inspire others to make heart-healthy choices too. Thanks for watching, and here's to better cholesterol and a healthier heart.